In this video, I will show you how to stop Discord from opening on startup. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So if you are finding that every time you're starting up your PC that Discord is opening automatically and you don't want this to happen, as this can make it longer for your PC to fully load through, or maybe you just want to stop this from happening because you don't use Discord all the time, there's actually two ways to do this. Now what you can do, the first way to do this is once you've got Discord opened, if you come down to the bottom left hand corner, click onto this gear icon which says user settings, and once you're on your user settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and what you want to do is scroll down on this menu until you see an option called Windows Settings. Give that a click, that's going to open up some options like this, and at the top you're going to see an option which says open Discord on startup. So what you want to do first is make sure this is turned off, and once you've done that, it's automatically going to stop it from opening when you load up your PC. Once that's done, close down your Discord, and what you can do at this point is restart your PC to see if that worked and if Discord no longer loads through. If you're finding that it's still loading through, then another thing you can do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type startup, and you should see an option come up underneath best match called startup apps. Give that a click, that's going to open up a window like this, and from here you can disable Discord as well. So what you can do is scroll through the list and look for Discord. Sometimes it's going to come up as update or something like that, but if you do see it showing in here, then what you can do is of course turn the switch off, and that's going to stop Discord from opening automatically on startup. So that is how to stop Discord from opening on startup. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.